Hey, to connect Pendrive to your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, first of all, on your smartphone, you will have to actually go into the settings. Next, you will have to go below and open About Phone, and you will have to go into the software information, and you will have to keep tapping on the build number until you enable the developer mode. Next, you have to go back from this one, go into the settings, open developer options, and from this you will have to scroll down and enable USB debugging. Click OK, and now all you have to do is just to plug this USB into your USB-C port, like this. If you don't have the pen drive with the USB-C input, you will have to get the external adapter USB-A to USB-C. And now when you input this adapter, let's do this one more time, like this, there we go. You can find information at the top that something is actually connected. So as you can see, now you can click on it and you can store your USB storage. So from here you can, for example, store your photos, some movies, music, whatever you have. In my case, it's almost empty. I can find some PS5 data and also some sound recorder files. And that's how you can use it. You can also go for the My Files, and from this you can actually enter the internal storage or USB storage. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.